So now in this figure we have AB, that is parallel to CD, and we need to find this angle X. So for this sum, what we do is we need to draw a line, another line here that is parallel. We draw this line L. So we'll write draw L parallel to AB. L will also be parallel to CD. So we have AB parallel to L parallel to CD. All these three lines become parallel. We use our properties now. Especially we'll use the cointerior angles. So I have my U here. So this angle is 105. I'll put this angle as say A. So I have AB parallel to L, and 108 plus angle A will be equal to 180, cointerior angle. So angle A will be 180 minus 108, and that is 72. So angle A equal to 72. I will draw another one here, another U. So we have here the line, here we have parallel, and here we have, so this plus this angle, or we'll call this angle as B. So there will be cointerior. So we have L parallel to CD, and we have B plus 112 will be equal to 180. Reason, cointerior angles. So B plus 112 equal to 180, and B will be equal to 180 minus 112, and that would be, B will be equal to 68. Now this angle X that we need to find, this angle X we need to find, which is equal to A plus B, and we say our A is 72 and our B is 68. So you add them together and you'll find your angle X. And the next sum, again it's a little similar to the earlier one. So we have here AB parallel to angle line L, and here parallel to CD. We need to find this angle X. Again we'll divide the angle into two. We'll put one part as A and one part as B. Let's take up the first one. We'll draw a U here, straight line, parallel, straight line. So I haven't mentioned the angles. So when we see here, these two angles are forming cointerior. This angle plus this angle is cointerior. We'll put this angle as say, we'll just make this darker. We'll write this angle as say angle A. So we have 45 plus angle A equal to 180, and your angle A will be 180 minus 45. In this case we have taken AB parallel to L. So that box A becomes 135. We go on to the other side. Here we have a parallel line, we have a transversal and a parallel line. Now this angle plus this angle will be 180. So we have this, let's mark this properly. This is our X. So which are the two? So here we have L parallel to CD, and we mark this as A, not A, we mark that as A, so we mark this as B. So B plus 60 will be equal to 180, cointerior. So B will be 180 minus 60, and B will be 120. Now we need to find this entire angle X. Now we notice your X is equal to the blue plus the green, and that would be now the blue and the green. So the blue here is equal to A is the blue, that's 135, and here we have the green, that is 120. So your total is 155. That is your X. So here we have another figure which looks like a parallelogram, and in fact it is a parallelogram, and the one angle is given as 70, this angle is given as 70. We need to find the other angles. Let us start with the first thing given as AD parallel to BC. So here is AD and it is parallel to BC. So we make our U. So when we make our U here, these two angles, this angle and this angle, are co-interior. So we have angle A, we have here AD parallel to BC. So A, it's A plus B, I made a mistake there, equal to 180. So 70 plus B equal to 180, and it's B that is equal to 110. I made a mistake in that sum. It should not be D, it should be B. 10. We'll take the next set of parallel lines, which they say is DC and AB. So we have DC parallel to AB, and we'll make our U again. This is our U here. So we'll have this angle plus this angle 180, and we know this angle is 70, right? So in the next case, now we take AB, AD, AB parallel to AB parallel to DC, and we'll see 70 plus D equals 180. See this one plus this is the U. So our D equal to 180 minus 70, so D is 110. Now we got another set of parallel lines, and we'll draw them here. Here we have this, here this is another U, because these are parallel also. So I have this angle plus this angle is 180. So we have now here we have DC parallel to AB and 110 plus C 180. So C is 180 minus 110 and C is 70. So we got all our angles. Angle A was given as 70 here. Then we got so we have all our four angles. So C was 70, you have B 110, you had D 110 also. Fine. So here we have RS parallel to PO, and this is a question. We need to find this angle. So first we just draw a line. We just extend this further like this. Okay, we make this line L, which is also parallel to this line and here, and we again draw our U's as usual. So we have one line, this, this, this. So if we mark this angle as X, we will get this angle. So we'll write here RS parallel to L, and we know 130 plus X equal to 180, and your X will be 180 minus 130, X will be 50. So we'll put up 50 here. Now in the next case, we have, if this is 50, this also will be 50, vertically opposite. So the next part, Y equal to X, reason vertically opposite angles, so our Y also turns 50. So we write 50 here now, Y. And again, here we can see a linear pair. In this is a linear pair here. So this X, we will put this as Z. So we have 110 plus Z equal to 180, linear pair. So your Z becomes 70. So this is 70. So now look up in this triangle. Let's draw this triangle again. I'll draw it in black so you can identify it, and we'll just mark the angles again. So this is the triangle we're going to do? We already have seen that this angle here was 50. We worked this angle here is 70, and we need to find this angle. So in this we have a triangle, and for this triangle we can write 50 plus 70 plus x, not x, we'll put this say as z we've taken, we'll take it as a plus a equals 180, and then you find the value of a. 180 minus 130, 120, and your answer a equal to 60.